called fondamenta. We don't have a lot of them around in the city. As for instance, on the Grand Canal, we can see like the palace is right directly from the water. And that's a very interesting restaurant. It's called Damarisa. We love it as locals. There you sit down and you cannot choose what you are going to eat.
Oh.
They just bring it out?
Yes, I mean, you can choose, fish or meat, that's it, and then they bring you antipasti, pimis. It's great. The quality is so good.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's fun.
So in this area, you find very casual places to have a meal by the water. There are like two different networks, right? From water and walk. You can walk and cross the city on foot, no problem, but it's a different feeling.
Yes, it is.
Let's say like the right way to appreciate it from the water. They look so modern, they are very central, right? But they were already there in the 15th century.
Oh,
They are called altane, yes, and it was the only way to have an outdoor space in this palace, the Jewish district, the Ghetto.
This was the Jewish ghetto here.
The Ghetto, that today has a very strong and negative connotation. It's a Venetian word we created. We are not proud of that. But Ghetto in Venetian dialect was like a foundry. The Jewish district was founded in a foundry where the factory was there, and it was created in the 16th century. The conditions were not that bad. They were allowed to have synagogues. There are 5 synagogues. The place is very nice, very sunny. And at the time they had to observe a curfew. It's a very cosmopolitan place with different names.
It's totally different, isn't it? From walking.
It's pretty wide, isn't it?
Yeah. Walk by or side.
Going on because last year the government provided a specific financial, digital canals due to the traffic jam. That's very unusual for the city. We don't have a lot of gardens. And as one, the whole palace is still a symbol of progress. You went from one island to another. Do you have any idea of how many islands we have here?
Should I guess? 7?
Yeah,
I'm going to say 22.
okay, thank you for
How many?
118. So they are like blocks, like city blocks. Like
Yeah.
Every bridge takes you to a different...
So some of these blocks are really regular and some other ones, and they are part of the skyline. Back in the day, each had a set of colors at night. It had like 2 main doors and 2 main floors. There were 2 families related. And today, it can be carnival party takes place. In Venice, back in the day, it lasted for 6 months. So 6 months of party in a row.
Fire department.
Firemen, yes. The fire station is here.
Yeah.
Where's the fire station?
With the archers. There where the archers are. There's a fireman there. There's a fire vehicle for lighting up stuff.
We don't have a lot of fires.
I bet not.
Was any of the islands